right. Part 3. Would have filmed more, but Mrs. Bibster and my buddy Eric's girlfriend were over, so we did not want. They were not fans of being on film. So as you can see, center bowl's hooked up. Look at that good fuel and never lead additive in there. Don't mind a little bit of a drip from there. It's how these old systems work, I think, is, at least my radiator guy told me, that there's that overfill line right there, and there's a hole a little bit lower than where it's supposed to be on there, but he said it should be fine. It does leak a little bit, so we'll worry about that later. Nothing to worry about now. But yeah, so that's there. You saw last night, radiator's all hooked up. That's just a little dusty there. We'll just kind of, don't worry about that. Still got to clean that. But yeah, so fuel line's actually on. Choke is no longer the Kyle Bibster manual choke. And we really should have probably fired this up before we tried to film a video, because now you're going to see a true cold start. And the muffler's on, which, don't fly muffler. All right, Eric, just hold on to that. Okay, ignition on, very neutral, choke out. Garage door will soon be open. Battery should have been charging. I should have been on charger. All right, we'll be right back. When you kind of get mashy on the hub, you have to do this while we wait for the battery to charge. Yeah, battery was basically dead. So, but I'll leave it in the video because I'm a truist. It was my own fail. So we're gonna be here playing with sandpaper. We'll be back later. All right, so we figured out, like I said, the battery was dead. So we're going to try and get this wheel back on quick. And that was fun. I would encourage people, when you're taking tires off of tractors, make sure to have your other tractor 6 inches away. That really aids in the fun. But I think we got her started. So let's get a couple of them kind of started up here, and then we'll get the other one started. But the goal is, if we can get this thing to fire off tonight, we might try and back this thing out of the garage tonight.
We can only hope so.
We can only hope. That was real fun. Yeah, make sure you always have your other tractor very, very close. Also, while we were working on that, I also got my new oil pressure gauge in, because I haven't seen if this thing actually makes oil pressure yet. I'm pretty sure it does, but battery's charging, so we should be firing very soon. But yeah, this thing's going to be a moving tractor here tonight, hopefully. So kind of what our goal is we're going to clean all this crap off, and then we will we'll fire this thing up. So we're going to clean up, and then we'll woo! So you can't hear it now, but it's running. Okay, we're going to give it a test here. Let's see if it starts on its own. Shh, it's a good idea. It's a good idea, Eric. This is night 2. Woo! I'll try. So we've obviously had it running now. Well, here's our issue. Something is screwy in this governor linkage, because if you guys heard the end of that video, it started to kind of run. Well, that wasn't me revving it up. So we think it's in this governor linkage, because it's kind of not, something's not right here. So I think it's where it's binding up in here. So we're going to kind of try and play around with that and hopefully get this thing to run. It runs good though. Building good oil pressure. Alternator's actually, or generator, excuse me, is actually working. That's warm, but I don't even know if this thing has a thermostat, to be honest. Best part is I don't have a trail of tears on the floor. What's this jug?
Well, there's something in it.
There's still something in it. Good deal. So we'll we're going to go ahead and kind of do some diagnosing and try and figure this out. So this might be the end of this one. So the next video, it's going to be us trying to figure out what in tarnation is going on with this thing just running like a champ. It runs good though. So little wins. Doors opened. We're dying. There's a car you haven't seen yet on the channel. We call that Oksana. It's the bane of my existence. All right, we'll see you guys later. Like and subscribe. We're going to do some more fun stuff like this. Like fixing that leak right there. Why is there a gear loop that comes out of the middle of the axle? You'll find out. This is more Business Repair Shop. See ya. Bye.